The night sky unfolds above Starryville Forest, stars twinkling above the warm glow of cozy homes. Luma, a small fox, peers out from her burrow, her eyes wide with curiosity, as if sensing a change in the air. Tonight feels special. The stars are whispering. Something's going to happen, Luma thinks, her voice echoing in the stillness of the night. The stars flicker nervously in the inky sky, as if sensing a looming threat. The moon halts in its celestial path, casting an unsettling glow over the silent town. Crickets pause their chirping, and an eerie silence descends upon the town. I gasp, a knot of anxiety tightening in my stomach. That's not supposed to happen. I need to find out why. In the dark expanse, Luma seizes her telescope, preparing for her ascent. She enters a balloon woven from fireflies, rising into the night. Luma waves at owls as she zips past clouds, soaring toward the edge of space. She reaches the moon, finding it stuck and sorrowful, stranded at the edge of space. The moon murmurs, "Oh dear Luma, I tried to dance around the earth like I always do, but my shoelace is caught on that pointy star." A glowing shoelace is tied around a twinkling star. Moons wear shoes? That's awesome. The moon starts spinning again with renewed vigor. Something drops off its back, tumbling silently through the void. In the vast expanse of space, Nib tumbles, a joyous giggle escaping his lips. "Whee! I was riding the moon like a roller coaster. Got stuck when it got stuck," Nib exclaims, his voice echoing through the cosmos. A voice filled with surprise pierces through space. "You made the moon stop." Endless starlight twinkles across the inky void. A childlike voice echoes from the void. "Well, kinda. I tied my shoelace too tight. Sorry. Want to play space tag?" Under the velvet cloak of the night sky, Luma and Nib float gently in their firefly balloon, suspended between worlds. Luma reflects, "I solved the mystery. I returned home with a brand new friend, a moon-hopping alien who loves marshmallows just as much as I do." Beneath a canopy of shimmering stars, the moon casts a gentle glow upon the tranquil forest. Around the crackling campfire, figures laugh as they roast marshmallows on sticks, filling the air with the scent of wood smoke and sweet caramelized sugar. Best mystery ever,